Oh God. Bike vlog. Oh. Damn it. Ooh. I look stupid.
Yes, so I got that all lined up. I got all the fucking insurance and all that shit.
Okay. I wonder if I can see this. Oh, I know. Hey guys, here for my first bike vlog. I told you I'd get to it eventually. I look stupid. I bungee cord my iPad to my chest, but it's okay. Oh, it's really uncomfortable. It's tapping me. Oh God. I think this is as far as we're gonna go. I just wanted to give you a little tour of what it might look like. If you want me to do more bike vlogs, just like the video, I guess. And subscribe, I guess, too. I'm just gonna ride back really quick. I'm gonna try one more really. Oh, damn, I can't do it with an iPad. It's so uncomfortable. Stab me. Ow. But yeah. Ooh.
Yeah. Well, have yourself a good night. I'll talk to you here in a little bit. Hey, if you end up talking to that girl, tell her to ask me if I can have her number.
There we go.
Okay, all right, later.
And peace, I guess. So yeah, that was a bike vlog, and I did figure out how to work the camera now. So should have little like editing intros, kind of like this. But that was my first bike vlog. Like and subscribe if you want to see more. It will be better quality in the future. I'm gonna use tape. I'm gonna be smart. But yeah, peace out.